We have somebody special on board today. She is the CEO of Woman. Right now, it's the handle is just floating right across the screen. You should definitely check her out. And she is, as you know, we always want every DIY Tuesday to be different, and always, like, I always want you guys to always learn something. And so that's why I'm bringing Tobi on board. She is designer, seamstress, you know, all these things just all together in one. So I'm sure you guys are going to have fun. Let's invite Tobi. Welcome. Hi guys. So hi. This is Tobi, and Tobi, you can talk.
IBK, all the names in the world, only me. Hi guys, my name is Tobi. The founder of the Child Woman on Instagram, as IBK said.
Yup.
I started a 100-day of Ankara challenge. So
true, you guys. This babe has been doing 100 days of Ankara challenge. I'm telling you, you guys, you should actually just check her page and her stories. Like, everything is there. Don't worry, continue.
So yes, so the challenge is basically just finding ways to creatively, like, put Ankara into your day, like. You know, not just look normal, like have a touch of Ankara everywhere you go, something like that. And we're learning from IBK. I don't know why she's making me feel like this is I'm
going to make sure to cancel this part when I'm editing the video, so that's all right. Yeah. And so today we're going to show you a couple of designs that we think would be great in spicing up your wardrobe. You know, sometimes we just have some outfits that we really like, but we're just like, this outfit can actually look better. Like, I'm not sure I want to wear this outfit because it looks too simple. Exactly. So today we're going to be teaching you how to revamp your wardrobe, how to spice up your outfit. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, we have our designs out here. Tobi, what do you think about? So okay, guys, first of all, so these are the designs. I know you can't see them clearly. Everyone has a black plain shirt in their wardrobe. Everyone has it, obviously. Who doesn't wear jeans? I mean, everyone has it. Even if it's jeans, only jeans skirts you wear, it covers this. You should have jeans. So everyone has a jean, and then everyone always has a plain dress. It could be in any color, it could be black or whatever, but you always have a plain. And then for Tobi, you have what?
A top, a plain top. Please, you always have that top that does not have any drama.
That doesn't have any drama. True.
Jeans too, as well. Maybe black this time instead of blue. Then a jean jacket. Yes, this one I like.
This is a summer outfit. This jean jacket. Oh no, I can't wait for this revamping. Anyway, guys, so Tobi, which ones, because of time, guys, we would not be able to work on all the designs that we have. So there are two things we can do. We could either incorporate some of the designs into one, or we could pick. So what do you think? Which ones do you think we should definitely do? So we'll be doing 4 designs. So because I really want you guys to see the steps and what we're really doing. So Tobi, which ones do you think we should definitely do? And then we'll look at some we can mix together.
Okay, definitely the jean jacket for me.
I can't see this jean jacket one. Oh no,
definitely the jean jacket. You guys, honestly.
So this is what we are using. We're using this. Obviously, you should have your scissors, and since we have our seamstress here, she brought tailor's chalk for us to use. No more use of biro.
You guys, this is what a tailor's chalk looks like.
This is what a tailor's chalk looks like, guys. Okay guys, so as you can see, this we have cut out the glasses and the lip.
Awesome.
So now what we're just going to do is we're going to be using our UHU right here, and then we're going to just glue them down. Okay, so let's do this one. So now for the front part, we thought about using this motif.
Yes.
So there are two ways you can apply it. You can either press it down, take a very hot iron, and then leave it for a few minutes or seconds. But for this, we're going to be using our UHU glue to the rescue as usual. So our best friend on.
You can pick whatever side here.
Yeah, you can actually pick any side. You can even put it on the pockets. Like, there's so many things you can do with this thing. I mean, yeah, or the arm, like, yeah. But we just decided that this way we want to pour it. So I would actually use an iron for this later when I get home, because I think it's a design I would like.
On it, right?
Yeah, on it. It's really nice. And seriously, guys, what is a plain jacket? Like, what is a jean jacket without any? I'm telling you, what's a jean jacket without any design?
Yeah, so what are we doing with a plain
It's just
jacket?
Plain. Okay. How did we put it?
Yeah,
I'm trying to remember. Yeah, like
yes.
I mean. So this is the phone, as you can see, and this is the back.
I love the back so much.
I just love the back. It's so cool. It just gives off this chickish feel. Of this one, please.
Okay. So this one, actually one that, why don't we have, like, we know the turn up trend, yes. So when we turn up the jeans, why don't we have Ankara peeking out? You understand what I mean now? It's like 5 inches max.
Okay, that's fine.
Yes. And then
what you should do is fold your material to make sure it's, let's just cut off this side. I was skipping it before, but there's no need.
Okay. Fold your material because it's going to go around your jean. So it has to be wide enough to cut. But now we're not cutting too much because the turn up is not, so this should do for us. So I'm cutting now.
Yes, ma'am, you can see.
Be careful when you're cutting, make sure it's in a straight line. So we have 2 different pairs, and I think we're ready to go now.
Okay. So what's the first step we should do?
Okay, for me it would be putting, at least seeing if this will go round at first. Back of your material is going to face the back of your jean. Yes. And
I think it goes round. This one goes round.
This one goes round. Okay. You don't have extra.
Yeah.
Same here. So the
Perfect.
back of your material faces the back of your jean, and the front is going to be out, because by the time you turn it inside out, this is what is going to be showing. So anyway, we've confirmed that this goes round.
Yeah. So I think the next step is,
yes.
Tobi,
Over
now
to you.
would you say, should we do it this way? Because I feel like I'm always up for neatness, so I would say this part, hold it. We don't even need to glue everything down. Hold it down. Take this. Hold the other part down.
This way.
Do you get?
You remember that we cut the Ankara parts? Yeah, and also we glued them together. Now we need to take note of the edges, that they are neat. BK, remember, we have to make sure that the edges are folded in, because when you turn it in or turn it up, if the edges are showing, it will be very frayed and messy. Honestly, you don't want that. Even if it's for yourself or for a customer, you have to make sure the edges are folded in on every side, so it gives a neat appearance. So as you can see, we've glued this in. So IBK,
okay,
it's time to turn it up. Actually, looks like there's nothing.
Yep.
But we have a surprise for you.
But there's something. There's a surprise. So this is the beauty.
pockets to it, so we cut out something shape of pocket.
You guys, I think I've taught you how to cut a pocket before.
Yes.
I think so. If I haven't and you want to know how to cut a patch pocket like this, comment below and I will put it in one of my next tutorials, for this month.
And don't forget, knit edges as usual. Fold the edges in. Okay, fold the edges in with your glue, needle and thread, whatever it is that you use. You have to yes.
So we're basically it's a plain black turtleneck top, as you can see, and we're going to be putting the Ankara just right here.
Yes.
Okay. Okay guys, so right now this is the turtleneck, and we have our Ankara material. So with this, as you can see, like, you place your Ankara material to measure. You can use a tape measure, mind you. You can also use a tailor's chalk. But we're just showing you how to do this really fast and easy. What we are going to be attaching to the neck of the turtleneck.
Yes, from both the front and back.
So what we are going to do now is we're quickly going to, like I always tell you guys, make sure the edges are neat, glue it, and then after we do that, glue that on the turtleneck. Okay guys, so we have done the adjustment of the edges, and what we're going to be doing right now is to attach it to the turtleneck. Okay, so let's quickly do that. It's already looking so nice, guys.
Yes.
So it's because I like my turtleneck full. That's why I made the Ankara this full. If you're used to folding your turtlenecks or whatever, then obviously you can either use the inside design like we did for the Jane, or fold it first and then place your Ankara on top. Okay, so now to make sure it's neat as always, go, and here we have it. Just going to
place it for you to see.
So this is it.
Glue as usual. A piece of Ankara that goes with the dress, please. You guys,
I love that.
I'm very particular, and your scissors
goes with the dress.
It has to go. Seek the opinion of 3 people if you're not sure.
Seek your opinion.
Yes, please. Honestly, I don't like fashion mishaps.
Oh no!
Don't say scenario that thought you.
Yes, no, we don't teach.
You don't do that.
Okay,
so IBK.
How are we? So for this, a particular subscriber asked me rather to teach how to make a bow. So we're going to make a bow using this material and then just attach it to the sides right here. So it's a very simple add-on revamp. It's not a big deal at all.
Okay.
So this is the rectangular cutting. Now after you've cut out your rectangle shape, your next step is to fold it in. So this goes in and this goes in, just like this. This is the most important part. Fold it in like this. As you can see the bow is already out. Yeah,
so that's three different.
Yes.
Like, three different.
And then you take this like this.